In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Go High Level. This process is straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes to complete. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and type Go High Level into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results, but you'll want to select the official website, which you can find at bu.gohighlevel.com. Once the site has loaded, you'll need to locate and click on the Login to App button, which will take you to the login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials to proceed. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. Spot the Settings menu, usually positioned on the sidebar or the upper part of your screen. Click to open it, and from here, look for either My Staff or Team Management. This section is where you can manage team members and their details. Once within the My Staff or Team Management area, you'll want to find the user for whom you intend to add an email signature. Scroll through your list of team members, or you might be able to use a search function if your list is extensive. When you find the user's name, there will be an Edit button located right next to it. Go ahead and click it. A pop-up window will emerge on your screen, giving you various options to update the user's information. You'll want to expand the User Info tab from these options. Within this section, scroll down until you can locate the email signature area. Now that you've reached the email signature section, it's time to add the signature itself. You can either type directly into the text box provided, or if you've already composed a signature elsewhere, simply paste it in. When crafting your email signature, consider including key details such as your name, job title, company information, and any professional contact details you wish to share. It's always wise to keep it concise, yet informative. Once you've entered the appropriate information for your email signature, you'll see a Save button nearby. Make sure to click this to confirm and save your changes. This step is crucial, as failing to save will mean your newly entered email signature won't be stored or appear in future communications. And there you have it. You've successfully added an email signature for a user in Go High Level. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that your emails carry a professional touch, reflecting both personal and business branding. Thanks for watching. And if this tutorial helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.